The following message has been requested by local authorities in your area. At this time, there is no current danger. But, a situation is developing in the Asheville, North Carolina area. For safety and security reasons, no information will be made available on the situation. But if you're in the Asheville area or in a 100-kilometer radius of the Asheville area, head indoors immediately. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information and updates on this developing. The following message has been requested by the United States government in conjunction with the Department of the Paranormal. Please pay close attention to the following instructions, as your safety depends on it. This broadcast will quiet for your safety. Please read the screen for instructions. The previous message was a emergency alert system. Please disregard all previous instructions and go on with your daily
Do not make any noise and do not comply till this broadcast